Yeah, hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to use ChatGPT as your trading coach and mentor to accelerate your learning curve to become a professional trader. So, in order to do that and explain it step by step, let's just look at, we see our model portfolio here, and AIXA is marked in red, and I'm going to explain why it is marked in red, and then we're going to look at ChatGPT. If ChatGPT can add anything to our analysis or potentially confirm our analysis. So, what you always should do when you consult ChatGPT as a coach and mentor, you should use your standards um, chart depending on your strategy. So, in our case, we have a number of longer term moving average trend lines. That's the one for 50, for 150, and 200. We have the Bollinger Bands with a 20 day moving average as this red line here. Then we have the trading volume on the bottom. We have the IVD relative strength lines, which compare the relative strength of the price action to the S&P 500 over the last 3 months. This is this light line. The medium line is the last 6 months, and this bold line is the last 12 months. What we also have on this chart is the stochastic RSI, which we're using to see if the stock and the price action are in an oversold or overbought condition outside these blue ranging. What we also have um, are Mark Minervini's trend template criteria, a total of 8 criteria. And you see that in this case, 3 out of the 8 criteria are violated. So if we're just gonna do a sort of manual analysis of the chart, now we opened, by the way, we opened the position as this price action went through this resistance line here at about 32. Now we had nice gains at the beginning. But now recently we see a decline, and we're going to analyze that. And again, after we did our analysis, we're going to consult ChatGPT and see if ChatGPT can add anything to our analysis. So we opened the position as the trend started to enter a confirmed so-called stage two uptrend, with a 50-day moving average being higher than the 150-day, and that one being higher than the 200-day. During that time, most or all of the trend template criteria by Mark Minervini have been met. We had we had a pretty high relative strength back then, which is good. The higher, the better. And that's when an explosive move under very high volume out of this consolidation period here. So it was a good entry. But now what we're seeing a couple of violations. So, for example, the first violation is that the price action broke the 50-day moving average. Now, more recently, it broke the 150-day moving average, and it's just about to also break the 200-day moving average resistance line. And then also you can draw a support or resistance line here at 32. Also, this has been violated. So we have a couple of um, support points being violated. Then you see, the Bollinger Band range is trending down, which is not good. So what you normally like to see is a rebound from this range. So it's pulling down here. What you see is that the relative strength trend lines are moving downwards, which is another um, violation. And what you also see now, this is one of the most concerning things. This series of lower lows and lower highs goes hand in hand with high trading volume, which is an indication of institutional selling. So it's not good at all. And also for sure, we're going to keep that very close on our watch list, very close. And for sure, now once that is going down a bit more, we're just out of the trade. We may be already late now. We're always too late, by the way, but that's not a good indication. Okay, this has been like the manual, like that. This has been the manual analysis, and now we're going to consult ChatGPT. Now we're going to use a reasonable. When should we start? Like in April. Uh, do it like that, and we save. We push the snapshot button here, download the image, and we go to ChatGPT. Now we open a new chat. So the free version ChatGPT 3.5 unfortunately will not allow you to upload images now. So it's only with a higher version, which comes with some costs for each month in the ChatGPT 4. What you can do is you can attach images. Just gonna attach the screenshot we just made, and then it's very simple. I said write a detailed analysis about it. So ChatGPT is analyzing this image. It automatically realizes that this is a technical trading chart, and we compare ChatGPT's analysis with our analysis, and by doing that, we can use ChatGPT as a mentor and coach now to accelerate our learning curve and becoming a professional and successful trader. Let's just look what ChatGPT is coming up with. Now, over the past months, it was bullish. That's why it's post that now. Yes, it's referring to that series of lower highs and lower lows, which is concerning, which is a violation. The most recent price action suggests a strong bearish momentum. Yes, it's trading below the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. No? That's what I referred to. So the last violation we're going to see for sure before we're out of the trade is the violation of the 200-day moving average. And the volume, now there's no noticeable spike in volume, has been bullish now. It's referring to this one. Excuse me. It's referring to this. These increases have been all under high volume, especially this strong breakout, which has been bullish signal. That's good. The recent decline is accompanied by increasing volume. That's what I said. It's highly concerning that this recent series of lower lows and lower highs is under high volume. It's a strong violation. The Bollinger Bands is currently touching the stock is currently touching the lower Bollinger Bands, which may indicate an oversold condition. Yes, this in theory, could be an indication that there might be a rebound soon, but due to the fact that the lower lows are coming with higher volume, makes that pretty unlikely. The RSI is currently below 30, yes, which indicates an oversold condition. Now the problem is that stocks can stay in oversold condition and decline and decline and decline for a long time. So while this indicator is very valuable in this, if we would not have all of these other violations, especially these lower lows and the high volume, this could be an entry signal for a pullback buy, but not when we have that high number of violations and these high volumes. It's the criteria box. Now it's Mark Minervini's trend template criteria. Per current state, the stock is not meeting the bullish criteria. Okay, in summary, it seems to be bearish trends currently. Yes, that's right. Technique suggesting and always right, there might be a potential for a short-term bounce. Okay, so it pretty much confirms our analysis here. Now, if your trading knowledge is not yet that advanced, now you may not have seen all of that in your manual analysis, but anyway, now also more advanced traders can use this ChatGPT 4 version to get either confirmation or learn more and accelerates their learning curve on their journeys to become professional traders. Okay, hope this was helpful and talk to you next time.